Hello viewers, welcome to Nazim Naim Official. After World Cup, the UEFA Champions League is the most famous football tournament around the globe. It is organized by the Union of European Football Associations and contested by the top division European clubs. This time, it was the 66th season of Europe's premier club football tournament organized by UEFA and the 29th season since it was renamed from the European Club to the UEFA Champions League. The season just ended on May 29, 2021. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the top 10 European football clubs and their performances in the last season of UEFA Champions League. Number 10 is Amsterdamse Football Club Ajax, also known as AFC Ajax, which is Netherlands' wealthiest club. They won total 4 Champions League titles. This season they won the Eredivisie National Championship, but they were knocked out in Champions League at group stage. Their best performer in the season was Dusan Tadic, having 22 goals and 24 assists. Number 9 is Club Atlético de Madrid, also known as Atletico Madrid. It is a Spanish football club based in Madrid. This season, they won the Champions title in La Liga after 7 years. In Champions League, they were knocked out in round 16 against Chelsea. The team's best performance was by Luis Suarez, scoring 21 goals and 3 assists. He is also the main player of the team. Number 8 is Paris Saint-Germain, commonly known as PSG or Paris SG, which is based in Paris, France. It is the wealthiest club in France who have the most expensive player in the world, Neymar Jr. After continuously winning the Ligue 1 title for 7 years, they ended up in second position this year. Although they were the finalists in last season, but this season they lost Champions League in semi-finals against Manchester City. This season their best performer was Kylian Mbappe, scoring 42 goals and 11 assists. Number 7 is FC Barcelona, which is a Spanish professional football club based in Barcelona. They won the Champions League 5 times. This season they ended up on 3rd position in La Liga but knocked out of Champions League in round 16 by PSG. The best performance was by Lionel Messi. He scored 30 goals and 12 assists. Number 6 is Liverpool, which is based in England. They got the 3rd place in Premier League this year. Although they won the Champions League 6 times, but this year they were knocked out by Real Madrid in the quarter-finals. The best performance was by the main player Mohamed Salah, scoring 31 goals and 6 assists. Number 5 is Chelsea FC, based in London. They are the winners of Champions League this season, after the last winning 9 years ago in 2012. They won the final match against Manchester City, scoring 1-0. Their best performers were Timo Werner and Tammy Abraham, both scoring 12 goals. N'Golo Kante's performance was most remarkable this season, which led the team towards the victory. Number 4 is Real Madrid, which is a Spanish football club based in Madrid. They own the most Champions League title, winning total 13 times. They ended up in La Liga on 2nd position, but they were knocked out of Champions League in quarter-finals by Chelsea. The best performance was by Karim Benzema, scoring 30 goals and 9 assists. Number 3 is Inter Milan, which is an Italian professional football club based in Milan. They won the league title total 3 times. This year they were the Serie A champions after 12 years, but they were knocked out in group stage in Champions League. Their best performer in this season was Romelu Lukaku, scoring 30 goals and 11 assists. Number 2 is Manchester City, which is an English football club based in Manchester that competes in the Premier League. It is the wealthiest club in the world. This year they were the Premier League champions but lost the final against Chelsea in Champions League. The best performance was by Ilkay Gundogan, scoring 17 goals and 4 assists. And number 1 is FC Bayern Munich, which is a German professional football club based in Munich. They are winning Bundesliga for the last 9 years. They were the champions of the last season, but this season they lost against PSG in the quarter-finals. Their best and remarkable performance was by Robert Lewandowski, scoring total 46 goals and breaking the record of Polish forward broke Gerd Müller's 49 years old record for most goals. So that is all for today. If you liked the video, then don't forget to subscribe to Nazeem9 Official and hit the bell icon to get further notifications.